Hi guys! So for this trip, we decided to book a 2-day pass sa Hong Kong Disneyland para ma-enjoy talaga namin yung park without rushing. I actually booked our Disneyland tickets through Agoda, and if you're planning din, you can use my discount code MAMALISACTIVE para may extra savings din kayo. But wait! Ito talaga yung game changer. One of the best decisions we made for this trip is staying inside the resort. Specifically sa Disney's Hollywood Hotel. Super worth it guys kasi may exclusive lane for hotel guests. So habang yung iba ay nasa long line, kayo chill lang, pasok agad, VIP feels. Wow! Another thing I really love is the flexibility. If napagod na kayo, lalo na if may kasama kayong kids or seniors, you can literally go back to your hotel, rest, recharge, tapos balik ulit sa park anytime. And hindi rin hassle kasi they have free shuttle buses going to and from the park every few minutes. Di mo na kailangan mag-worry about transpo. We booked this via Agoda and you can use my hotel's discount code MAMALISAGODA to get up to 10% discount. Rate starts at 10,200 pesos per night for 2 packs. Or via Klook and apply the discount code MAMALISPHCLOOK to enjoy up to 5% discount. We got the Mickey and Friends themed room and super cute ng details. May hidden Mickeys, Disney-themed decors, and even the smallest touches para kang nasa loob ng Disney movie. Inside the room, merong water dispenser, mini bar, mini fridge, at sobrang cute na mga slippers. Sobrang linis din ang kanilang bathroom. May hair dryer, hand and bath towels. Take note, wala palang bidet dito ha. Pwede naman kayo magbaon ng portable tabo kagaya ng ginawa namin. Even their shower curtain ay may Disney design din. Merong bathtub and kompleto ang body wash, shampoo and conditioner. And talking about convenience, you can literally request anything you need using the QR code flash on the TV. Ang high-tech and ang hassle-free, diba? And can we talk about the comfort? Sobrang cozy ng beds, malamig yung aircon, and ang peaceful ng vibe. Overall, sobrang saya and sulit ng stay namin dito. From the Disney details, complete amenities, hanggang sa service, everything just feels magical. So if you're planning a Disneyland trip, this is definitely a stay you don't want to miss. Please watch our full vlog on our YouTube channel, Mama Liz Wonder Fam.